Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set, Humble Home. I love this stamp set, guys. It comes with a punch. We're going to be using the punch also. Merry Christmas and this house here. Actually got this design from another Stampin' Up demonstrator, Julie Davison. Thank you so much. Love it, love it, love it. This is designer series paper from the Take a Bow designer series paper pack. Item number 164309. All of these pieces of paper, guys, 48 pieces of this paper. This here is cut at 3 by 4 inches. This is a real red cardstock cut at 3 1/4 by 5. And then I got 2 here just in case I need to. I make a boo-boo on one. This here with basic white is 5/8 by 1 1/4. This one here for the house is actually a scrap, but it is 2 1/4 by 3. This one here is a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and for the inside a 4 1/4 by 4 by 5 1/4. And this here, or the paper actually matches with apple. Wait, let me see. The paper is garden green, granny apple green, and real red. Although I don't have granny apple green, so I got some old olive here. This here is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4, and I'll go ahead and burnish my score line. There we go. And this here old olive is actually just to punch out a 2 3/8 inch circle. Love punches, guys. Punch is quick and easy. Love it, love it. And then here we're gonna go ahead and stamp the house in real red. Not much stamping either, guys. Quick and easy cards. I love this card. Love this house, you guys. Okay, I am stamping more towards the right because when I go to punch it out, and I'll go ahead and do that now with the punch, I can go ahead and hold it, slide it down, and I punch upside down so I can see where I'm punching, where my image is, and then punch. Yeah, there we go. Love it. Don't you guys love it? I love it. Oh, it's so cute. Quick and easy, guys. And then this, of course, is for the greeting that says Merry Christmas. Let me get it open. This is garden green ink. Centering it right in the middle there. Love it. Let me do it twice. Love it. Love it, you guys. And then we have all our pieces. I will go ahead and put this inside. I got a white piece to line the inside only because the garden green is pretty dark, so we can write our sentiment in there. Just like that. And our card is going to be landscape. I am going to center this on this. A little goes a long way. A little bit of glue. Oh, you can hear Aiko. I'm going to center this right on the top of the card. I'm loving the extra border on the outside showing the garden green. And then taking this here, and I'm just going to go put glue right there, putting it maybe an inch up, trying to center on this side and this side, even amount of space. So an inch up from here, yeah. And I'm gonna take this and I'm actually gonna put it like right here, like a 1/4 inch from the DSP. I'm gonna pop this up and the greeting. Arco's barking a lot because someone's here dropping off some holiday treats, I guess. And I'm gonna use this one. Center on my circle. Half on, half off, and a little bit of on the green, old olive. Try to make that straight. And then guess what, guys? I was able to get some of this real red and white adhesive back peppermints. So I'm gonna put one right on the door just to cover that heart with my take your pick tool. Let me see, can I pick it up with this? Yeah, you guys, right there, just like that. Oh. How you like that, huh? I covered the heart. And there we have it, guys. How do you like it? I love it. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Come back again soon. Bye.